Hello everyone, in this lecture I will give you some important tips while wearing contact lenses. Most problems associated with contact lenses causes minor irritation, but serious eye conditions can be extremely painful and lead to permanent vision loss. The chances of developing an eye infection is relatively low but increases when you leave lenses in overnight. Here is what to do and what not to do when wearing and caring for your contact lenses. So I will give you some basic tips for wearing contact lenses so as to prevent eye infection and serious eye conditions that lead to permanent vision loss. As we know, our hands are covered with germs, so as to wash them well before putting in or taking out your contact lenses, make sure you use clean, lotion free soap and air dry your hands thoroughly. Next step is to cleanse your contact lens case. So, what is the proper way to clean your contact lens case? The most effective way to reduce the number of microbes on a contact lens case is to fill it 80% with multi-purpose solution. Rub it for 5 seconds with the finger, then wipe it dry with a tissue. Then air dry the case upside down on a clean tissue. Never use water to clean your case or your contact lenses, and cleanse your case at least once a week so as to reduce the number of microbes on your contact lenses case. And next step is don't mix old and new solution. It means always use fresh contact lens solution when you are storing your contact lenses overnight. Adding new solution to old solution already in case or cleaning lenses with water has been linked to cases of acanthamoeba amoeba keratitis, are rare but serious condition. Do ask your eye doctor if you can sleep in contact lenses. Sleeping in contact lenses increases the risk of an eye infection by approximately 10 times. So sleeping in them even part-time is typically not recommended. But some contact lenses are approved for wearing at night, so as long as you get regular eye checkups and your doctors approve, it may be wear. It is highly advised to refrain from using contact lenses while swimming or bathing, as water has small organisms that can lead to an eye infection, so water should not come into contact with contact lenses. These organisms can increase in number and strength, ultimately leading to an eye infection, especially serious eye infection, acanthamoeba keratitis. And in last, contact lenses should be replaced according to your doctor's direction. Some disposable lenses are intended to be thrown away either every day, every other week, or monthly. Gas permeable lenses are an exception. They are longer wearing and are typically replaced once a year. Wearing contact lenses beyond the recommended time can lead to unhealthy eyes and discomfort, so as to replace them. Thank you for watching my video, and for more such videos subscribe my YouTube channel Optometry World.